Okay. I don't know. We'll do our research. We'll make a lot of binders because we can make binders that bind to the protein, that binds to the small molecule, but you want us to create new proteins that bind to the small molecule. So we'll look at our options and we'll validate them based on their scores, pLDTC, iPTM, IPSA. So I think so.
Well, the pLDT won't really give you much here because yes, you will find out your protein falls, which is fine. That's great. But we need to have a metric about ligand protein binding, right? Because what's important is that this protein binds to the ligand. And what metric will give us that? iPTM is good for protein-protein interactions. I don't know if it's good for ligand-protein interactions. And so we'll have to look into that a bit more, see what Bindcraft has to offer, look at Bolt, what do they have to offer for small molecule
Okay.
protein.
For small molecule, we before we started putting it in, me and Mark, we do computational chemistry. What we do is molecular docking. So we use Pyrex. So you get a small molecule compound, let's say that exists in a plant, a phytochemical. Then you find a protein. Let's say if you want to work on ulcer, you want to find a small molecule compound for ulcer. So you go to the PDB, look for a protein across ulcer. Then I can look for a native leaf, get the phytochemicals in that leaf, then do molecular docking. So the more negative the scores, the better the binding. That was literally what we'll do. Then we'll do admin properties. So we could also use that software, Pyrex, so just to see how exactly they bind. But Mark is saying that you need a prototype, not just an idea. So you have to show something you actually built.
Right,
What
that's
they
where
say.
more life comes into place, right? Is because we would want him to start actually quoting, like, so it's because he can work with the natural protein, the one that binds to the ligand natively, to make a chip right now that binds to this specific hormone we're talking about. But more life, how do you translate from a biosensor to electrical signal to Wi-Fi? Do you have a good idea of how to do that?
Yes, what I can comment about that is usually the microchips that we work on IoT devices, they extract electrical signals, and these electrical signals, they interpret a certain pattern of a process or of a condition.